It's not fair to me that I come in here to purchase something and they're withholding my money. Please don't touch me. Do not touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Officers are called to a business after a woman refuses to leave. Prior to officers arriving, the woman rented a U-Haul trailer to move out of her house. But after realizing she did not possess the correct equipment to tow the trailer, she asked for a refund, which the company issued back to her card. However, as officers quickly realized, the woman isn't exactly happy about having to wait multiple days for her refund to arrive in her bank account.
She's still inside?
Yeah, she's still inside.
What's her name?
I don't even know her name. I didn't do her reservation. She's been told that there's nothing else we can do.
Okay.
You all have to send a refund for money.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hey.
Hi.
Hi, how's it going? What's your name?
Sorry?
What's your name?
My name is... Yes,
Okay.
I'm still here.
Where's your Officer Flynn, Chris Police Department. The business is closed. They want you to leave.
They didn't
So
give
you
me
need to
my
leave.
money back. So
We're not involved with
leaving.
that.
That's
They've
fine.
said the company's already refunded you.
They
So
have
that's
not,
between them.
I called my bank and that's what I'm trying to explain to
Okay.
her, that they did not process
That's
a refund.
fine. No, standing here is not going to do anything.
I need my money back. That's not fair to me.
That's between you and you all.
It has. You just watched me. You sent me the email with no confirmation.
I can't do anything with that. Banks sometimes take processing time.
It's my
I
bank says
can't make
nothing
anything
has
happen.
been issued to me.
I can't make
It's
anything
not
happen.
fair to me that I come in here to purchase something and they're withholding my money.
That's fine. Again, that's
That's
between
not
you. That's
fine.
between you and
That's
the company
between
civilly.
me and the store that I swiped my
Between
card at,
you and the
which is
company
here.
civilly. So you need to leave, or you will go to jail.
I want my money back. Isn't that called theft?
You need to
I'm
leave.
talking to U-Haul
I don't
right
care.
now.
You can talk to me because I'm here. You need to leave, or you're going to jail. There's not a time limit or anything like that.
I'm not listening to you right now.
Okay. All right.
Please don't
No,
touch
you're
me.
going to jail.
Please do not touch
Ma'am, you're going
me.
to jail. Put your hands
Do
behind
not touch
Put
me.
your hands behind your back.
Please do not touch me. Why are you attacking me?
Stop. Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. Can you please stop?
Put your hands behind your back.
132, Chris, we all resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Call Kaimani.
Give me your hands and stop.
Please,
Please
let me
give
go.
me your hands,
This is
ma'am.
not fair.
Ma'am, please
This
give
is
me
Put
not
your hands
fair.
behind your back. You're going to jail.
Going to jail for what? I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong. Please stop.
Put your hand behind your
I
back.
did nothing wrong. Just
Listen,
let me go.
put
so I
your
can
hand
go
behind your back.
home. I did nothing wrong.
Put your hand behind your back.
I got
I
one hand.
did
Ma'am,
nothing wrong.
give me your other hand.
I did nothing wrong. All I'm asking is for my money back. Let me grab my phone.
No. You don't get your phone in jail. You don't get it now.
This is so not fair.
Double look it. Yeah. Are they up top?
This is not fair.
See shit.
Do you see what you guys did?
They didn't do anything, ma'am.
All I wanted was my money back because you guys put me in a situation where I'm not able to move out of my house. And you watch me call my bank where they told me it was not refunded. This is not okay. So I swiped my card and you guys tell me you can't give me my money back and now I'm having to go through this. This is so not fair. Like, I have my children at home too. Like, what do you want me to do?
I wanted you to
I
leave.
have no family here.
Get back. There you go.
Can I at least hold my phone, please?
No.
No, ma'am.
Walk her to the car.
Yep. All right, you're gonna come with me now. We're gonna go to
Can
the
I,
car.
can I just please
No,
have
we're
my
gonna go
phone?
have a seat in the car now, ma'am.
I need to make sure that my kids are going to
So
get
we're gonna handle
home.
that, but right now you need to have a seat in the car.
This is so not fair.
Yeah. All right.
This is so unfair. I came down here to get my stuff
so-
together so I can move.
So please stop pulling from us. This will go a lot smoother if you just listen to us.
It happens all the time
So,
and it's
let me
not
check these cuffs.
okay.
Just make
I
sure.
understand that, but
It's
the money
not
stuff we don't get
okay.
involved with.
It's okay.
But they're refusing to give me my
It's okay.
money
All
back.
right, please have a seat.
What is my reason for being detained?
Well, you're under arrest right now for trespassing and obstruction.
Obstruction of what?
Obstruction of justice.
Well, what about my rights? Do I not have rights as a citizen? person?
You do have rights. You have all the rights. But you don't have a right to stay in a business that's closed.
They took my money and wouldn't give it back. They didn't give me a receipt. They didn't send me an email until you guys got here.
Again,
I came down here to
we don't
get
deal with that.
But it's not okay. I'm just here to...
Alrighty. Can you all run it, please?
Have an affidavit, a complaint for somebody to fill out, and then the other person can fill out a witness statement if you don't mind.
Okay. For what?
Or y'all both here at the same time. Like,
Yeah, we've been here the whole day. She rode with me, so she's kind of stuck here. So,
Okay.
yeah, we were both in here when it happened.
so whoever just wants to be like the complainant,
All right.
can fill
Yeah,
out
I'll
the
call him
affidavit
and ask him.
whoever
I'm
wants
manager, so I guess it'll be.
That'll work.
She has to pay the tow bill and she has to pay to get her car out.
Do I have to put my
Are
weight
you
on
sure? 'Cause, I mean, like I said, I can call him right now and he'll come get it.
her? Is that necessary? And we have it all on camera too. We need to give you that.
Yeah, if y'all are able to.
Well, she refused to talk to him, so.
We were both like, she really just told a cop she's
pretty
done
much
talking to him.
went all the way around the gun area.
Okay. It ended up by the CEO pants.
In the tail.
Started there and went around it.
Y'all missed the action.
Yeah, you did. The lady on the ground.
I was trying to like key up with one hand and like pull in the body camera in the other.
Make sure she has her driver's license with it on her file.
And we did everything we could to get her a refund. Any card refund takes a few days. She could not understand that it would take a few days. And then
Like she did get a refund. It just wasn't like she's.
Yeah, she got the refund. We called U-Haul traffic. They're like, well, it's showing that we refunded her the money on our end, but it's probably going to take at least 1 to 3 days,
That's
maybe 3 to 5.
Like business days too.
Like, it doesn't automatically go.
Oh, in the pants section.
Our boss called and tried to talk to her, and she was like, well, you better just bring me some cash or something, and then hung up on her. So, then she did also tell her that she was not leaving until she got home.
Right, yeah.
Because she has to be out of her house by 9 days.
We walked in the door and they were like already trying to get her in handcuffs, like over there by the counter.
That
And
way she had proof of it.
So she
Back around
refused to
to
leave.
the main.
Because the money didn't hit her
the
account
main
automatically.
counter,
That's
and
it.
that's when PD.
Or how in depth do I need to go?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
basically they y'all asked her to leave.
She's sitting right there behind the brown mat on the counter, on the glass counter. She's sitting right there.
But we did ask her to leave.
They're not,
Multiple times.
Who's he out with?
I have to get off the phone and record it. So I can- Okay, thank you.
That's it?
Okay. Sounds good. All right, thanks.
Yes, I do. Y'all missed the action, but do you want to see the action? I mean,
Yeah, I have to record
he said yeah.
record it and. Yeah, because they walked in as it was starting. She was a tiny little person too. Like she was
feisty.
Everybody around her. Yeah, I'll walk all the way over there before they come in. Because I was just standing over here propped up on the counter when it all happened.
No, they're faster for you.
Yeah, now she's standing up because I just told her that I had emailed it to her.
I really don't trust him.
Come on out. You okay? There we go. All right. So you can stand over here for a second, man. Just gonna check this real quick, make sure. All right. It's good. Okay.
Go?
Yeah.
Can you go with the front, please? Just for my...
Okay. So if you would just have a seat right here for us.
Please don't let them take my stuff.
No, we're gonna leave the stuff. It's all gonna go to you. They're gonna take it. This gentleman right here is gonna come in and they'll get you in the check-in process, and then we'll be out of your hair, okay? All right, so just go ahead and sit right there. Okay, guys.
27-year-old Downer was charged with trespass after warning and resisting a police officer without violence. Under Florida Statute 810.08, trespass after warning is when you are remaining on property after being told to leave. This is a second-degree misdemeanor with a maximum sentence of up to 60 days, up to 6 months of probation, and up to a $500 fine. Under Florida Statute 843.02, resisting an officer without violence offense is when you are knowingly interfering, obstructing, or opposing a police officer performing their duties. Common examples can include refusing lawful commands, pulling away, tensing up, not allowing handcuffs to be applied, or verbal refusal to comply with detention or arrest. This is a first-degree misdemeanor with up to 1 year in jail, maximum fines of up to $1,000, and maximum probation of up to 1 year. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.
This is so not fair.
Don't walk it. Yeah. Are we up top?
This is not fair. Do you see what you guys did?
They didn't do anything, ma'am.
All I wanted was my money back because you guys put me in a situation where I'm not able to move out of my house. And you watch me call my bank where they told me it was not refunded. This is not okay.
Well,
I don't know what's going on.